Hi folks, I'm back here with Jim and we are kicking off our holiday weekend by putting together the two new Polywood Coastal Dining Chairs. We have them in the black with the nice creamy colored sling, and I'm telling you right now, these are the kind of chairs that make our whole patio feel instantly more complete. So we bought two of these last year and we loved them so much, like really loved them, that we came back and bought two more this year. And now we have four and they look so cohesive and polished, just around our outdoor table. And the best part, well, they feel substantial, not flimsy, not lightweight. They actually have that sturdy quality feel you notice the second you sit down. One thing I appreciate so much is how they're made for real life and real weather. Polywood uses their climate-tough materials, which are designed to handle harsh elements, intense sun, salt air, rain, even blizzards, which we get quite a bit of here in the Midwest. So yes, these can stay outside year-round with no cover, and that's a big deal here in Wisconsin. We don't want to have to be moving our furniture back and forth every season. And I don't want high-maintenance patio furniture. I want forever furniture that looks beautiful and doesn't make me have to, babysit it. And speaking of looking beautiful, these chairs are made from color stay technology, meaning the color is actually integrated into the lumber. So it stays vibrant and resists fading even in direct sunlight. We have the beautiful, rich black color, and it's just so beautiful. It stays nice and clean. We've had it for over a year now. It's elevated and it has a beautiful neutral look, and it still looks fresh season after season. Maintenance is basically not a thing. If they need a refresh, I just use a little soap and water and a soft bristle brush. Rinse and let them air dry. That's it. No special products, no stress. Plus, the lumber isn't prone to splintering, rotting, cracking, chipping, or peeling. And they're backed by a 20-year residential warranty, which honestly says everything about the quality. Also, quick note, assembly is straightforward. Jim has put now 4 of these together, and it comes with clear instructions and marine-grade quality hardware. So it's built with outdoor durability in mind from the start. So if you're looking for outdoor dining chairs that feel substantial, look polished, and can truly live outside all year without drama, well, these have one of the best patio upgrades we've done. And you know me, consistency is my standard. So a friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link. At no extra cost to you, your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.